Listen. That's the sound of compromise. The sound of pre-washing, of re-washing, of hoping. For the last 6 months, our lab hasn't been a lab. It's been a kitchen from hell. We baked on egg, dried on oatmeal, and crusted on spaghetti in a scientific cycle of misery, all to answer one question: in 2026, which dishwasher doesn't just clean? Which one asterisk obliterates? The results shattered every expectation. One brand's flagship failed spectacularly. A dark horse emerged with silence that defies physics. And the winner didn't leave a single molecule behind. Let's open the door. Number 1. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and efficient appliance, measuring just 16.85 inches wide, 16.73 inches deep, and 18.23 inches high. This makes it an ideal choice for those living in smaller spaces, such as studios, apartments, dormitories, boats, and RVs. Its thoughtfully designed interior boasts a spacious dish rack and a dedicated cutlery holder, allowing it to accommodate over 30 pieces of kitchenware in a single load. It can fit up to 5 full-place settings and can even accommodate dishes up to 10.25 inches in diameter when placed at an angle. To ensure proper installation, it's important to maintain at least 20.08 inches of clearance between your countertop and the wall cabinets above. In terms of functionality, this portable dishwasher is equipped with 7 different washing programs: standard, quick, strong, ECO, fruit, self-clean, and glass. Number 2. COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher. The upgraded 6-liter built-in water tank offers versatile options for users, as it allows for manual water filling. This feature grants the flexibility to place the dishwasher in any suitable location without the need for a direct connection to tap water. Additionally, the convenience of hooking the dishwasher directly to the kitchen faucet is provided with the included quick connect water hose and adapter, making setup easy and straightforward. Focusing on the upgraded space design, the MiniPlus mini dishwasher is engineered to provide a larger capacity compared to traditional mini dishwashers. Number 3. AIRMSEN Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The compact C01 dishwasher, measuring a mere 14.6 inches in width, is specifically designed to optimize kitchen space. It occupies 20% less area compared to traditional dishwashers, which typically measure around 16.75 inches wide. This space-saving feature is particularly beneficial for small kitchens, allowing them to maintain an uncluttered appearance and feel less cramped. Despite its compact size, the C01 is engineered to fit for place settings efficiently, mimicking the capacity of a larger, 17-inch countertop dishwasher. This means that users can say goodbye to the hassle of multiple wash cycles, as it streamlines the dishwashing process effectively. The C01 dishwasher is equipped with 7 upgraded washing programs that cater to various cleaning needs: baby care, delicate, heavy, clean, normal, quick, and fruit modes. These programs operate by alternating between 3 to 4 cycles of both cold and hot water, ensuring a thorough cleaning for a wide range of dishware. Number 4. SPTSD 2225 DWA Energy Star. This advanced appliance boasts a compact yet spacious design, making it an ideal choice for a variety of living situations, including small apartments, office kitchens, or any kitchen with limited space. It can accommodate up to 6 standard place settings, ensuring you have ample room for your dishware, cookware, and utensils, with a maximum dish diameter of 10.25 inches. Despite its small footprint, measuring only 17.24 inches in height, this unit provides the full-sized cleaning power you'd expect from larger dishwashers, making it both efficient and practical. The generous cavity can easily hold all your essential dining items, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of a dishwasher without sacrificing valuable space in your kitchen. Easy installation with faucet adapter and quick connect. The installation process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, featuring a convenient quick connect system that allows the appliance to hook up directly to your kitchen faucet. This eliminates the need for complicated plumbing or any type of permanent installation, making it accessible for anyone to set up quickly. Number 5. HAVA 2026 New Upgraded Countertop Dishwasher. The HAVA 2025 upgraded countertop dishwasher boasts an innovative eco-mode designed to significantly reduce water and energy consumption. This environmentally friendly feature is engineered to maintain high cleaning performance while minimizing resource use, making it a fantastic option for individuals and families striving for a sustainable lifestyle without sacrificing cleanliness in their kitchenware. Additionally, the newly integrated water softener addresses the common issue of hard water, which can lead to limescale deposits and unsightly watermarks on dishes. By allowing users to select a softener setting tailored to the specific hardness of their water supply, the dishwasher effectively curtails those problems, ensuring that every wash results in sparkling clean dishware. And that is how you buy silence, spotlessness, and savings. The choice is now crystal clear. To make your upgrade seamless, every top-rated model from this test, plus the premium detergent, rinse aid, and installation kits we swear by, are linked for you in the description below. If this deep dive saved you from a $1,000 mistake, return the favor, press like, it tells YouTube this is essential. Share it with anyone planning a kitchen upgrade. And subscribe. Because next, we're exposing the smart ovens that promise perfection, and which ones actually burn it. See you then.